Hello friends, welcome to Magnotech YouTube channel. Friends, our today's topic is draw the velocity diagram of this 4-bar chain mechanism. So let us start. A 4-bar chain mechanism A, B, C, D. So here you can see A, B, C and D is dimensions is shown in figure. It means the figure is already given to you, okay, with the dimensions of AB, that is 15 centimeter, dimensions of AB 15, then BC, that is 46 centimeter, okay, 46 centimeter, then AD, here AD, that is 30 centimeter, AD is equal to 30 centimeter, and CD that is 30 centimeter, okay. So like the dimensions given here, that is 15 centimeter, so we cannot draw the 15 centimeter, we have to take a scale for that. So we take a scale, that is 5 centimeter is represented by 1 centimeter, okay. So here 15 it means 3 centimeter, 46 that means 9.2 centimeter, 30 that means 6 centimeter, okay. So here I have to draw this diagram first. So draw the horizontal line having a 6 centimeter, okay, which is shown AD, that is 30 centimeter, right. So here AD is 30 centimeter actual, but we are going to draw 6 centimeter as per this scale, right. Now AD is 6 centimeter, so first of all I have to draw this line, okay. I have already drawn here, for reducing the time I already drawn over here. So AB, that is 90 degree vertical line, okay. So here AB, that is 30 mm, okay, and it is 90 degree, so 3 centimeter vertical line. From here you have to take a arc for 9.2 centimeter. So from point B 9.2 centimeter and arc, and from point D as a center, and here 6 centimeter and arc. Whatever the point intersect, you have to draw the line of BC, okay, this BC, and here CD, okay. So by this way you can draw this diagram. Now we have to draw the velocity diagram. How we can draw the velocity diagram? So some data given over here, that is n is equal to 600 rpm, rotation of the crank. So angular velocity of crank omega 2 pi n upon 60, n is equal to 600. So omega BA, okay, omega BA, angular velocity of crank, is equal to 62.8 radian per second. Now velocity of the link AB, so velocity is equal to omega into length of the link, okay, omega into length of the link. So here omega, that is angular velocity of BA, okay, 62.8, and length of the link, that is 15. We have to put the original length, that is 15. So 62.8 into 15 is equal to 942 centimeter per second. Now we have a velocity of BA, it means velocity of crank, okay. So we have velocity of crank BA. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a perpendicular line. So here this is a vertical line, okay. So we have to draw a perpendicular of this, because velocity, okay, it should be like this, VBA, right. So we have to draw a horizontal line, but for that we have to take a scale. So here 942 centimeter per second. So we consider 100 centimeter per second is equal to 1 centimeter, okay. So what about 942 centimeter per second, okay. So it is 9.4. Now we have to draw a perpendicular line of this link AB, right. So if you draw the perpendicular, like this is a vertical line, okay, 90 degree from horizontal. So exactly we have to draw the horizontal line, okay, but VBA is equal to 942 centimeter per second. So we have to take the scale. So here 1 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter per second. We can assume this scale. You can take also 200 centimeter per second, whatever you like. Okay. So as per this scale, I have to draw over here, that is 9.42, okay, centimeter. So here this is 9.42 centimeter. This point is a fixed point, AD, right? So here A and D we have to write over here. This is a fixed point, and this is VBA, velocity of BA. It means 9.42 centimeter, and if you consider the scale, then it is 942 centimeter per second, right? Now we have to draw the perpendicular line of this BC. Okay, so this BC, and we have to draw the perpendicular line. So from here, if you consider like this, so from here, okay, you can apply your own method for drawing the perpendicular line. See, I match over here with the scale and draw over here perpendicular line. Now I have no idea what is the velocity, okay, what is the magnitude. So I draw over here randomly like this. Okay, then from point D, this is also fixed point, so I have to draw the perpendicular line of this also. Okay, so perpendicular line of these things. Okay, so let me use a roller scale like this. Okay, I match with the horizontal line of this scale, I match with the line, and then by using a roller scale, okay, it will be difficult over here like this. Okay, now it is okay. Okay, so from this point you can draw over here. So this is the intersecting point. Okay, now this is called the VCB. This is the B, this is C, right? So velocity of CB. This is called the velocity of CD, VCD. So by measurement, now by measurement, VCB, that is here, if we measure, this is a 6 centimeter, right? So 6 centimeter. So here it is around 600 centimeter per second. So we can say VCB, that is 600 centimeter per second, right? Now let us consider VCD. So it is around 12.3. So 12.3 centimeter. So here we can say VCD is equal to 1230 centimeter per second, right? We have to multiply it with 100. So 1230. Okay, sorry if you can't see. Let me write it over here. Now if you consider VCD, so it is around 12.3, right? So here 12.3 centimeter. Now we have to multiply it with 100. So VCD, that is 1230 centimeter per second, right? So here we have a CD, we have a CB, right? Now we have to find the, now I have to find the angular velocity of link CB. So omega CB is equal to velocity of CB upon length of the link, CB, right? So VCB, that is 600, divided by here what is the length of the link, that is 46, right? So here 46, so 46 omega CB. So if you calculate here 600 divided by 46, then it is 13.043. So here omega CB, that is 13 radian per second, right? Radian per second. Okay, now next we have to find omega CD, right? So here we have a space over here. Omega CD is equal to VCD upon length of the link CD, length of CD, right? So what is VCD? That is 1230 divided by what is the length of CD? Here you can see this is the length of CD, 30. Okay, so 1230 divided by 30. So here we got 41 radian per second, right? So omega CD, that is 41, okay, radian per second. So friends, this is all about the velocity of this velocity diagram of this 4-bar crank mechanism. You can select a scale as per you want. Okay, it is not necessary that you have to select 100 is equal to 1. You can also select 200 is equal to 1 centimeter. Then this diagram become half, right? So I hope you got it. So friends, if you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more videos. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.